Hey folks, have you heard the story of Airbnb? At first, investors laugh at the idea of renting out air mattresses in strangers' living rooms. They thought it was crazy, but today Airbnb is worth billions of dollars. This shows you that even the most amazing business ideas might not seem great right away. That's exactly why validating your Micro SaaS idea as early as possible is incredibly important. So, what is Micro SaaS? Micro SaaS is a type of small software business that focuses on solving a very specific problem for clearly defined group of people. Usually, Micro SaaS is run by just one or two people without needing a big budget or a large team. And because Micro SaaS businesses target specific niches, they can quickly become profitable and easy to manage. So, if you spend time working in a certain job or an industry, you have a valuable head start. Your experience gives you a deep understanding of specific challenges and pain points that others might have overlooked. And this insider knowledge helps you identify strong micro-SaaS ideas faster and more accurately. But before you spend valuable time and money building your app, you must ensure that there's a real demand for it. So, validating your idea is essential because it helps you to confirm that people actually need your solution, to check if potential customers are willing to pay for it, and to prevent wasting your resources on an idea that no one wants. So, what are the steps that you can follow to validate your micro-SaaS idea? So, the very first step is understanding exactly who will benefit most from your app. Think about their specific job roles, industries, or unique needs. The clearer you are about the audience, the more effective your validation will be. Next, have genuine conversations with at least 10 potential customers. Don't just pitch your idea. Instead, ask them about their day to day problems and challenges. Find out if your solution actually addresses something that they truly care about and if they're actually willing to pay for it. Then, build a basic web page clearly describing your product and its benefits. Keep the messaging very simple and compelling. Fuzen's no code tools allow you to set it up quickly and easily, even if you haven't built any website before. Drive visitors to your landing page to sign up for early access. This helps you gauge genuine interest, start building your customer base, and provides you valuable initial feedback. You should also run small targeted advertising campaigns or share your landing page in relevant online groups and communities. Keep track of engagement levels, sign-ups, and responses to get a clear picture of market demand. With Fuzen's no-code platform and AI-powered tools, you can quickly transform your app idea into a fully working MVP without needing any technical skills. Fuzen simplifies rapidly creating and launching your first version, making quick changes based on user feedback, and validating your idea efficiently and more affordably. Feedback from your first group of customers is extremely valuable. It can significantly shape your product's future. These initial insights will help you refine and improve your MVP, turning it into a fully scalable and market ready solution. And Fusion helps you easily incorporate feedback, speeding up your development process. So stop guessing and start validating your micro-SaaS idea confidently and cost effectively. Your unique expertise can become a very profitable micro SaaS business faster than you think. And Fusion makes this validation journey simple and quicker. So, are you ready to bring your idea to life? So, if you liked this video, if it helped you, please like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what kind of micro SaaS you are building. See you next time.